Welcome, welcome to this another powerful live session. This is Ramesh Yadav. I'm very excited to invite you to this. This is a special live session. Instantly I got an idea how what is that one thing I learned from my life and I learned from my experiments in order to improve every single day, in order to raise myself towards next level. you know this is a very powerful session. Please grab your notepads and pens because this is the session you will learn a hack. You will learn a hack that can change your productivity towards next level. Type excited in the comment box if you're excited for that. Yeah, that's really amazing. So let us jump into my mind map. This is the mind map. Really love to do it. 30% instant boost for your productivity. In this live session, I go deep into about why we fail to be productive. The first thing we go deep into it. Then what experiment I did. Usually I always challenge my personal behavior to literally outperform my competitors, to literally improve my productivity toward next level. I always try to get more things done in less time and achieve great results in less time. That's what I always been thinking about. And I'm going to show you a hack how to get 30% boost to your productivity. And finally I go deep. If you're really excited, I'm going to show you a way how to start your productive journey with me, the next action steps. Right? I hope you're grabbing your notepads and pens. Excited? Yeah. Now, let me share this. Let me share this live session to my students. I really love to share with the people. One second, give me 1 second. I'm sharing to the groups. Meanwhile, you grab your notepads and pens. Share your live video to multiple groups. Yes, that's amazing. Share to my own community. And let me share this with my yes. Yeah, that's really amazing. So the first thing, okay, thank you for bearing with me. The first thing, why we fail to be productive. Everyone want more disciplined life. Everybody want more productive life, and everybody want to achieve their financial freedom. They want to build their relationships very faster. Everybody has goals, but why a lot of people are not able to achieve that goals? Because they are struggling with procrastination. Or if I go deep into it, what are the problems? These are the top 5 problems I have seen. The first thing is lot of distractions. Right? Lot of distractions. It may be social media distractions. It may be people. It may be people around you. It may be your thoughts, negative thought process. It may be your current emotional state. It may be your past. Can you see this? We have a lot of distractions on our mind. Where that is the biggest blocker of productivity, and we always miss this point. If you are always in the mode of reactive mode to the environment, definitely it's hard to be productive. This is the first blocker. Lot of distractions, right? Second thing is lack of direction. Why a one person is not able to be productive? Because they don't know what to do next. They don't know what to do after 1 hour. They don't know what to do after 1 day or 1 week. I plan in such a way that even after 3 months, the same day, I know what I'm about to do. That is the level of productivity I go deep into. That is called granular productivity. In most of the cases, why we miss, because there are a lot of things around in our environment that is very attractive. Yes. And and because of not having a proper direction, because of not having a clear step by step process, we are not able to be productive. If you wake up, you can easily relate with this. If you wake up, you are waking up and more likely to open smartphone. Open WhatsApp, look at the stories, jump into YouTube, spend some time, open TV, watch some news. Can you see this? This is called mediocre mindset. Come out of that. That is called lack of direction. But I wake up early and instantly I fresh up for 15 minutes, and from 15 minutes to for the next 90 minutes, I spend my time on important activity in my business, which is learning new things, new things. Can you see this? If you fail to give a proper step to your mind is a monkey mind. Your mind is a monkey mind, as always. The third thing, why we fail to be productive, because lot of randomness in your life, lot of randomness. It means, my mentor, his name is Brandon Burchard. What he told is, the randomness in your calendar steals your greatness. I repeat it. Randomness in your calendar steals your greatness. If you have a lot of randomness in your life, even you don't know what to do tomorrow, you don't know what to do tomorrow afternoon, you don't know what to do this week. You're just going with the flow. Definitely you cannot achieve your results faster, right? And we always listen an audio called Stranger Secret in the World. In that audio, Earl Nightingale clearly says this. Your mind, if you don't simultaneously focus on a important activity at the same time, you are more likely to distract. If you try to do million things, your willpower is very limited. Can you see this? Remove the randomness from your life. Remove the randomness from your life. Because of the randomness, you cannot achieve greatness in your life. And the fourth thing is lot of complexities. You don't know what to start, what to do. You don't know where to start, and you don't have a clear goal, right? Can you relate with me? Type I have in the comment box. Because a lot of times, why we are not able to do work, why we are not able to why we are not able to take action, why we procrastinate always, because lot of complexities. Our mind won't allow complexity. If it is very easy, if it is very interesting, it literally mouth watering, then only our mind will do. Can you see this? Your goal is to make that work more interesting and mouth watering using productivity. And finally, no proper guidance. Yes, even in terms of your time management and productivity, you are not literally following already proven rules. You are using your mind, which is your monkey mind. It's completely going out of the track every single time, and wasting a lot of time and effort, right? I put my heart and soul into this productivity empire. I'm creating an elite community. In that community, I literally making my students are very productive, and I'm working on their mindset. What is the blocking? Procrastination, distraction, negative thoughts, lack of self-discipline, lack of goals, lack of direction. Can you see this? This is what I have been decided to do. These are the top 5 reasons I found why we fail to be productive, why we fail to manage our time like our CEOs of your life, and why we fail to achieve great things because of this. Can you type in the comment box, what is that one thing that is stopping you? Is this distractions? Is this direction, or randomness, or complexities, or no guidance? Just type in the comment box, what is that one thing? What is the one thing that is stopping you to become more productive? Yeah. Now let us jump into what the experiment I did. I did this experiment last week, and I found an astonishing results. The experiment is plan versus no plan. Yes, it's as simple as that. What it says is plan versus no plan. Plan is nothing but you have to plan your tomorrow just today before your sleep. If you plan your tomorrow, and if you don't plan your tomorrow, that is the experiment I did it. I'm going to tell you what are the results I got. Without plan, reactive mode. My day started with a reactive mode first thing. And without plan, because of I don't have any plan, I'm more likely to wake up, opening my smartphone, look at Facebook or look at WhatsApp. Reactive mode, wasting my valuable morning time on low hanging fruits. Low hanging fruits. Can you see this? Most of the cases why we fail, because that is the biological prime time. If you waste your biological prime time, then it's literally very hard. It's literally very hard to become more productive. Can you see this? And without a plan, I am wasting my valuable focus, valuable distraction, valuable attention, valuable energy on low hanging fruits like talking with my mom, or opening my laptop, or watching TV. Just without a plan, we go with randomness. Whatever it is attractive in our environment, we do it, right? And without a plan, we are going with the flow. How many times going with the flow? What is happening? We are just going with the flow, right? Going with the flow is the dangerous killer for productivity. You should never go with the flow. Because of we don't have any proper plan, we are more likely to go with the flow. Maybe wake up, wasting time for 2 hours, breakfast, after wasting 2 hours, again randomly opening, and you consciously think about, oh my god, I wasted the morning. Again you finish your lunch, you go for sleep or something, again you wasted 3-4 hours, you got the evening, the whole day is wasted, and with the till evening you wasted, along with that you wasted the whole night. Can you see this? That is called randomness. A lot of randomness in your day, that can never give you the results. Because if I give you 3 lakhs rupees, you just walking on the road and spending anywhere you want randomly. Can you think about, will that experiment will give you the results? Definitely no. Suppose if you are going to a shopping mall and buy some irrelevant products, and you're going to a beggar and give some money, and you just doing all the random things with that 3 lakhs, do you think will you get maximum output with that 3 lakhs? Definitely no. That is the issue. A lot of people miss this. Make sure you should have a clear plan. Going with the flow, that's the biggest danger. And without a plan, a lot of negative habits, a lot of negative things. We are more likely to do the negative things because those are very attractive. If you don't have a clear plan, suppose if I don't have this live session at exactly 8 p.m. Thursday, I'm more likely to open my YouTube, because that is the negative thing, and that is very attractive, and I'm addicted to it. Usually a normal guy addicted to it, to the thing which they like the most. It may be Prime Video, it may be watching porn, it may be bad habit like smoking, or it may be alcohol, or whatever it is. If you don't have a proper plan, you're more likely to attracted towards negative things. Type I am in the comment box if you can relate with this. Without a plan, you are in a big danger. And finally, without a plan, after wasted the whole day, you are more likely to sleep with regrets. How many times you did this? Oh yeah, oh my god, I wasted the whole day. At least I finish one activity, I'll be very happy. How many times you sleep with regrets? I know you have big dreams in your life, but you wasted the whole day and you sleep with regrets. And no, you're not only sleeping with regrets, and you're sleeping with videos, sleeping with distractions. Can I say, if you're sleeping with distractions, that will ruin your tomorrow. It becomes a chain. If you wasted yesterday's night, tomorrow will be wasted, tomorrow morning will be wasted. Because of that, it's a cycle of daily bands in a chain. What it means is, if you waste a day, you're more likely to waste tomorrow. If you waste today and tomorrow, you're more likely to waste the third day and the fourth day. It's a chain. It's a chain. It's very difficult to break without a conscious thoughts, right? And I'm going to tell you, this is what I did, and with the plan. Now this is very important. Please give your 100% attention here. With plan, what I got, I'm able to clear direction. With the plan, I got a clear direction, right? With a clear direction. So I wake up, I fresh up, and I know what I do after I wake up. Then I open my calendar. I don't need to open my calendar. My calendar will remind me will remind me what to do. After I wake up, I got a message. Read this book for 30 minutes. I'll show my books also. Uh, One second. I'm going to show my books what I read. Can you see this? This is my favorite book, Deep Work. After I wake up, I really learn a lot about productivity and about business, about marketing, about ads, about a lot of things. Because of the having a clear plan, I'm able to have a clear direction to start. Then clear breaks. Because of the plan, I know when to take break. Bathing break, breakfast break, maybe middle morning break, lunch break, middle afternoon break, evening break, and finally dinner break. Can you see this? My breaks also has been defined clearly. Yes. I define clearly breaks, and in that breaks I consciously not look at laptop, not look at smartphone, just to think about my business or think about something which can give me energy. And can you see this? In a lot of times why we fail to take breaks, because even in breaks also we are more likely to work. That will deteriorate your productivity. That will literally reduce your productivity by 90% if you keep on working without taking breaks. And with plan, I experimented a lot of days, and I'm able to execute it 95 to 99% of the whole plan. Type awesome in the comment box. This is the awesome results I got in my life. I'm able to execute the whole plan. Suppose if I planned to finish 10 activities in a day, and I'm more likely to finish 10 out of 10. Maybe within a week I'm missing one or two activities. That's the reason why 95 to 99% of the activities are done in a plan. Can you see this? At starting, you might ask me, Ramesh, okay, if I plan for an activity, what if that activity will go long? What happen if that activity will become very it takes very less time and I got a lot of time? In those cases, we have a concept called buffer time. It takes more time, then you can have a buffer time in your calendar, so that if it takes more time, buffer time will be added to the main work. If not, then you can take break, or you can think about what's going on next. That is called buffer block. And with the plan, no more time waste. Can you see this? No more time waste for what to do. Can you see this? Because of lack of direction, because a lot of time waste. What to do, what to happen, which work I should, what is the right priority. Can you see this? But with the plan, my calendar will remind me, in my smartphone, my calendar will push me, this is the call to a client, this is the call to weekly inner circle call, this is the time for video shooting, this is the time for office, this is the time for this is the time for this activity. My phone will remind me every single time. Type awesome in the comment box, because this is really awesome. You don't need to think about what's going to do next. Your phone will give a little bit vibration, zzz, a vibration to literally make you more productive. Can you see this? With the plan, you can achieve with the plan. You're going to achieve your goals by 3x to 10x times faster. Yes, if you have a clear plan every day, if you do a plan for the whole week, you're more likely to achieve your goals, your weekly goals, 3x to 10x times faster. This is what I experimented. This is what I found it. Without a plan, my day, my week will be completely ruined, completely randomness, no direction, no work. Even I have a lot of work, I'm not able to pick the right work. Can you see this? No more. Because of the plan, I'm able to achieve my goals 3x times faster. Yes, this is the reason why I'm able to do my software job in a product-based company. Along with that, I'm nurturing a community. I'm building my own community called Productivity Empire. Right? And with plan, can you see this? That is called with plan. You should have a clear plan to literally make you more productive. And how to get that 30% boost in your productivity? just plan your calendar that much deeper. Let me open my calendar for you, or let me open my calendar for you, calendar.google.com. Actually, I haven't planned to show you, but I really want to. I want to show you my calendar for yesterday, because today I have taken leave from my office. 1 second, I'm sharing. Please bear with me for 2 to 3 minutes. It's loading. Before that, while loading time, just tell me, what is the one thing you learned so far? What is the one thing you learned so far? Right now, let me share my calendar. Let me share. Yeah, I'm sharing it. Give me a second. I'm sharing it. A window capture. Yes, give me a second. Yeah, because I'm very new to this tool, so yeah. Is it visible? Type visible in the comment box if it is visible. This is my Wednesday calendar. This is my Wednesday. Can you see this? I wake up at exactly every day. I wake up at exactly 5 a.m. every day. I do some Silva Ultra Mind meditation. Can you see the 5 to 6 a.m.? 6 to 6:30 I do some break, and from 6:30 to 9:30 I completely focusing on writing ads for my business, writing ads and creating images for my ad copies. And 9:30 to 10:30 it's about 10:15. It's a break for breakfast and bathing and some buffer time. And 10:30 to 11:30 I focus on promoting my videos. Then there is some buffer time and some segregating the list, and I'm practicing some sales skills along with that. From 2 to 5 this is my complete office stuff, and 5 to 6 some office meeting. 6 to 8, 6 to 7:45 it's completely focusing on learning new things and helping my community to grow big. We do a weekly call every Wednesday 7 p.m. I give more powerful stuff for my community. Yesterday we talk about Elon Musk productivity, how he able to build 500 billion dollar companies at the same time using productivity. And I do some boot camp at 8 to 8:30, and finally we have some dinner and preparation. And finally, this is the very important thing: plan the tomorrow. This is a block to plan your tomorrow. This is how the more granular you goes, the more powerful it would be. Yes, the more granular you go, the more powerful it would be. Let me jump back into a mind map. Type mind blown in the comment box if it literally blow your mind, because you cannot get this stuff anywhere else in the world, because I'm showing my live calendar. Yeah, just fill your day with Google Calendar, and make sure, even you're wasting time, maybe you're spending time on YouTube, just block 1 hour for YouTube. Can you see this? This is how you're going to make your life more productive. And if you're in my bootcamp member or my community student, member of the Productivity Empire, you know how to fill this super productive daily template. If you fill this template, you can see a lot of changes happening in your life. This is how I boosted my productivity to 30% instantly, just by planning and going as granular as possible. Let me write that word. Granular productivity. This is what I did. You see the calendar, right? From morning 5 a.m. to evening 10:30, completely granular. Even I wasted. Yes, I wasted for YouTube. I spend on with my family dinner time. I spend my time with my family. My meditation time 5 to 6. My love reading a book. Can you see this? And if you're really excited to literally build a plan like this, I'm very excited to help you. I'm doing a boot camp which is starting on the next Monday, which is called Super Productive Bootcamp. It's a 4-day journey with me to make you more productive. It has a lot of powerful live sessions and implementation bonuses, powerful exercises to instantly make you more productive, like Elon Musk, like Steve Jobs, like every other successful person in the world. I hope you really enjoyed this session. Please type your comment in the box. Will join in the comments. It means you are about to join for the bootcamp, and just type in the comment box what is that one takeaway you are about to take after leaving this video. Thank you for giving this opportunity. This is Ramesh Yadav, son to an awesome couple, fitness freak, swimmer, writer, online gamer, turned a productivity expert, and the creator of the Personal Productivity Empire. Signing off.